Next one is graphical processing units. Is a technology to evolve the technology evolves to deliver unique benefits of work computing. The latest graphic processing units GPUs unlock a new possibility of gaming, content creation, and machine learning on the above. So what does GPUs do? The graphic processing units or GPUs has become one of the most equal type of computing technology in both of the personal and business computing designs for the uh, designs for the design for the parallel processing design for the parallel processing. The CPU is used to wide range of applications including graphics and video rendering. Although they are the best known of the capabilities of gaming, GPUs are becoming more popularly for use in creation productions and artificial intelligence. So graphical user interface were originally designed to accelerate the rendering of a 3D graphics. Over time they become more flexible and programmable, enhancing their capabilities. This allows the graphics programmer to create a more interesting visual effects and realistic scenes of the advancing lighting and shadowing techniques, and the develops also begins the tap of the power of GPUs and dramatically accessories additional workloads in a high performance of the computing, deep learning and more. So GPUs and CPUs working together. So GPU evolves as a complement its close cousins, and the CPU while CPUs have continued the delivery of performance increase through the architectural involves and faster clock speeds at the addition of the cores. GPUs are specifically designed to accelerate computer graphics workloads. When you're shopping for the system, it can be helpful to roll up the GPUs and CPUs and then more make it both. So GPU's graphics card, which is difference having the GPU's graphics cards are often used interchangeable. There is a suitable distinction between these terms. So much like a motherboard contains the CPU, and the graphics card refers to an add-in before that incorporates the CPUs. Thus also included the draft of the graphics, both the graphics functions and connecting the rest of the system. Some basics of a type integrated and discrete. Integrated CPU and not becomes its own separate card sector. So instead embedding and the CPUs. Discrete CPU is a distinct chip that is mounted in the circuits about the typical address of the PCs. Integrated graphics processing unit GPUs market the actual integrated graphics. It's integrated graphics how it works in the computer. Fully integrated GPUs motherboard allows for the thinner and lighter systems, reduce the power consumption and the lower system cost. So Intel graphics and then X graphics is a main example of the graphics process, and the discrete graphic processing units. Computing applications all related to GPUs, and the applications much expensive performance demanding the discrete CPUs. So these CPUs are at processing of a cost of the additional energy consumption of a creation. So generally directed the cooling for the maximum performance. So GPUs are the performance that are being allowing a broad range of applications. So GPUs used where it's primarily accessible of a real 3D graphics applications such as games. This 21st century begins the computer science, realizing a GPU's hardware potentially solve some of the world's most difficult computing problems. Its realizing gave the rise of the general purpose GPUs. So today GPU is the more getting then the flexibility of range of the applications. GPUs, gamers, video handling have become the more compatible incentives, and the hyperbolic graphics was complicated in the game world. 4K screens and refreshing rates rise the reality games depends upon the graphics. Savvy today are 3D performance of a gaming GPUs or video editing to content of the creation of the graphics tried to becoming to reduce resources simply creating its flow to make it easier to improve the graphics and dimensionality formats. So GPUs and CPUs is proliferated and then it will produce the good performance. So select the laptops and then first execute 6. So like this, these are all the graphics. So GPUs for machine learning, simulation expense applications, technology, AI, machine learning. It's corporate excellent amount of the computational capabilities. It's really repeatable applications in workspace. Thank you.